How to create a poll in Messages on iPhone in iOS 26. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to create a poll in Messages on iPhone in iOS 26. First, make sure that you have updated to iOS 26. Once that is done, you want to launch open the Messages app. Now, you simply want to select a contact or group where you want to create a poll. Now, you will find this message box. Here, tap on the plus icon. Here are different options. You want to select the one which says polls, tap on that. Now you want to enter your choices. Then add a comment. After that, you want to tap on this arrow icon. And as you can see, the poll has been successfully sent. Now, people in the group can simply participate in this poll, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.